Hey there, salary strugglers. I know we have all been there, feeling underpaid and undervalued. We have put in hundreds of efforts, time, energy to give our 100% at work. But now it's time to take control and negotiate the salary and benefits you deserve. Hello, everyone. I hope you are doing well. Today, we are going to talk about the art of negotiating salary and benefits. Because let's face it, you are worth more than what you are currently earning. Let's begin with step number one: research, research, research. Knowing the market rate for your role is key to negotiate a fair salary. Use online resources like Glassdoor, Pscale, and LinkedIn to determine the average salary range for your position. Don't be afraid to ask colleagues, friends, and family members who are working in similar roles about their salaries. Step number one is all about research. Get a sense of the industry standards and what you can realistically expect from a company at the time of promotion. Step number two: know your worth. Make a list of your skills, experience, and achievements. Be prepared to explain how your qualifications, how your expertise, how your skills will benefit the organization. Bring some data on the table. Don't be modest. Highlight your strengths and accomplishments. Remember, you are not just asking for a raise, you are selling yourself as a valuable asset to the company. Step number three: set a target salary range. Based on your research, set a realistic target salary range that you feel comfortable with. This will give you room to negotiate and ensure you are not selling yourself short. Be specific, but also be flexible. Remember, negotiation is a give and take process. Step number four: negotiating salary. When the employer makes an offer, don't be afraid to negotiate. Use your research and target salary range to make a strong case for your desired salary. Be confident but also be respectful. Remember, you are having a talk, not a conversation. Let's take an example where recruiter calls you and gives you an offer which is less than your industry standards. What you are going to do is say that I am excited about the opportunity to join your awesome team, but I was thinking more along the lines of XYZ rupees. Based on my research and industry standards, would it be possible to discuss a salary range of ABC rupees? This type of answers will help a recruiter that you are expecting XYZ money to join the organization. Step number 5: negotiate the benefits. Don't forget to negotiate benefits like vacation time, flexible work hours, and professional development opportunities. This can add significant value to your overall compensation package. Be creative and think outside the box. These are the 5 steps which will help you to negotiate a salary like a pro. But let me help you. What if an employer doesn't meet your salary expectation? In this case, you have to think outside the box. Ask about other benefits like additional vacation days, flexible working hours, or professional development opportunities. Be open to find a solution that works for both of you, you and the employer. Remember, it's not just about the salary, it's about the overall package. And that's all. With these tips, you will be well equipped to negotiate a salary and benefits package that reflects your worth. Remember to stay confident, professional, and open minded, and you will be on your way to a successful negotiation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more job search tips and advice.